Hello, I'm Izel. I'm actually in a quiet place right now. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm here in Antipolo. This is Prayer Mountain, Touch of Glory Prayer Mountain. And I'm here to share with you a very personal message of the Lord for me in this space. But before I do that, I'll just give you a background as to the place where I am. I'm in the middle of the woods. Yeah, ayan. That's my background. Pero here in front of me is forestry. And up above, that's it. And on my background, also forestry. That's my forehead and me again. Well, here, mobile charger. One wisdom that I want to share is that well, my battery is running low in my cell phone. Tapos I check yung phone ko, it's like 20% yata yung. To my surprise, I wasn't able to bring the right connection kasi type C yung type C. Tapos what I brought is the original mobile connector neto. So even if I would really wanted to connect it to the outlet or to the power source, I cannot connect. And then I realized it's actually how God is to us, to our lives. Sometimes there's a certain way to connect to the Lord, and the Lord is ultimately overflowing with the source of power. Kaya lang, iba yung mode na ginagamit natin to connect. And even if the Lord really wants to pour out Himself to us, we can't really connect to Him. Kasi, yung connector natin, hindi siya yung tamang connector for us to really fit in and get yung source of energy and get yung energy that we need in our lives. Question is, are you actually using the right connector, the right cable? Kasi if not, even if you really would love to connect, there's a certain way, and that's through the word of the Lord. Kasi minsan gusto natin to connect to the Lord, doing a lot of worldly things that will not fit. Kasi God will not fit in our lifestyle, but we are the one who should fit to the Lord, diba? So that's one powerful message that I've learned just simply bringing my mobile charger with me. Till the next.